Ever wondered why roses are the queen of all flowers? Their timeless allure has captivated hearts across cultures and societies. Today, we delve into the world of roses, exploring the art and science of cultivating these royal beauties. Well, today we unravel the secrets of growing and taking care of these royal beauties. So, how do you plant a rose? Let's dive into this rose planting endeavor. Start by selecting a location that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Now, prepare the soil. It should be well-draining, rich in organic matter. Dig a hole, wide and deep enough to accommodate the root system. Place the rose in the hole, ensuring the bud union is level with or slightly above the ground. Backfill the hole, water thoroughly, and voila, you've planted a rose. Remember, patience is key. Roses take time to bloom. Now that you've planted your rose, how do you take care of it? Just like us, roses need a routine. Regular watering is key, especially during dry periods. Fertilizing is like a vitamin boost, helping roses to grow strong and healthy. And don't forget pruning. It might seem counterintuitive to cut back a growing plant, but pruning helps to stimulate growth and maintain shape. Treat your roses with the care they deserve. With proper care, your roses will thrive and bloom beautifully. Growing roses isn't just about the end result. It's about the journey, the thrill of nurturing these beauties, and the joy of watching them bloom. It's about the satisfaction that comes from knowing that you've created something truly stunning. It's an experiment in beauty, a chance to play with different types, colors, and fragrances. From the classic reds to the exotic blues, every rose has its own charm. So are you ready to start your rose revelry? We hope you found this guide helpful. Your engagement truly helps our channel grow. We'd love to hear about your rose growing experiences, so feel free to share in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more garden delights. Stay blooming!